Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andina Raulia, and the reason I made this video is I want to tell you about my opinion in understanding syntax part 2. Okay, the first is, what is traditional approach? Traditional approach is one of theory of syntax which form as the result of word and phrase relationships, which analyzed by a form analysis called Reed-Kellogg sentence. So this tool is focused on subject and predicate. For example, the smart teacher trained the lazy boy, which the teacher as the subject, so train as the predicate and boy as the object. But in this theory, many of linguists assume that this theory is too simple and inconsistent, but cannot be denied that this theory has provided for linguists to find the other better approach. So the second is structural approach. Structural approach is an approach which confirms that a sentence is combination between sequence, word classes, and group, which constituent contains is a word from the smaller to the largest unit. For example, the beautiful girl. A is D, so B is beautiful and C is girl. So B is immediate to C, beautiful girl. This form a larger constituent D, beautiful girl. So A is immediate to constituent D, and this forms the largest constituent, the beautiful girl. So the third is transformative generative approach. This approach is believed ability of speakers to produce and perceive the sentence is depends to their linguistics competence and linguistics performance. And this approach have taken focus on competence. For example, that the girl is singing a song, and this sentence is the result from noun phrases that a girl. So for phrases that sing and auxiliary that singing, ing and verb phrases. So number 4, yes, in my opinion, I agree with transformative generative approach because this approach not only think about how the word, the grouping of the word, but also think about how the rules used in structure word. So the last is sentence structure. Sentence structure is how to combine the word from a smaller unit. In my opinion, it's useful to analyze sentence with this theory, the transformative generative approach, because in verbal communications we must to produce the word that the theory or knowledge about trolls, and this word become meaningfully and understandable. Okay, maybe this from me. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.